Hey everyone, Leanne here from Kingdom Blogger. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm using custom UTM tracking codes so that I can better track the traffic I'm getting to my blog from my free Gumroad Bible studies. You know, Google Analytics, the new one, GA4, is just ridiculous. Like nobody can find anything in there. The reports are so hard to create to actually get the information that you want. So creating custom UTM tracking codes is a way to do that so that when you go in and see your traffic sources, it'll actually show which sources are generating the traffic to that particular post. So right now I have a blog post on my Kingdom website for each of the women. I still have more women to create them for, but I have probably 10 women, you know, Sarah, Hagar, Ruth, Naomi, whatever. So it's a blog post. And well, Google kind of the traffic on those organically. They used to be doing really well. But I have free Bible study questions that sort of have, it's like a download with 5 questions. And there's like a short devotional reading, like real quick, where they're supposed to read about it in the Bible and so forth. And then in that download sheet, and I'm going to show you what that looks like, is a link to the blog post, right? So my goal here is to get traffic to my website from my free Gumroad products. So let's hop over, share screen. All right, so here's Ruth. And so here's the blog post, right? So this is my free. So there's a pretty cover sheet. Here's where you read about it. Here's just an overview. I actually don't put this in the question pack. And then here's the study question. It's just 5 questions. And this is my upsell. So I do have a paid version that has more questions, but this is the basic. So on this page right here, you see this is a clickable link to the blog post. But what I want to do is change this from just the blog post URL to one with a custom tracking code. So we're going to use this site here, utmbuilder.com. And you can see I've already put the link to the post. It's just a straight up link to the post. Source Campaign and Medium, I put Gumroad in both of these and then click build URL. And so down here, it gives me this custom, and you can see it's got after the question mark, UTM, blah, 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 right? So this is the link that I'm going to put into my Ruth thing here. So I'm going to replace the old link because I did have just a regular tracking link. I'm going to add it here. Done and done. Now I'm going to do one more thing here. I'm going to take that down just a little bit. And I am going to add a QR code or scan the QR code to read the summary of her story. I'm going to make it bold. Now in Canva, there's an app. There's a whole bunch of QR code apps in Canva. It's totally free. So we're going to come over here to the app. So I've been doing it. I'm saving these. So I have them just for future reference. I don't know what I might do with them in the future. So here we are on Ruth. So I'm going to grab this code. I'm going to punch it in here. I'm going to hit generate code. It's going to give me a code here. I'm going to write Control C. And then I'm going to hop back over here, click into the page and hit Control V. That's not what I meant to grab. Oh my goodness. There we go. I'm going to bring this down here. And just move that over. Just so it's aesthetically even. Boom. So now I have not only the custom UTM tracking code, so I can track all website traffic that comes from people downloading this free Bible study and actually clicking the link to go over to my website. But I also want to create a QR code because a couple of reasons. Number one, I've noticed some people, for whatever reason, cannot get their PDFs to open. I think you have to have it in Microsoft Edge as your default opener because on my newer computer, it will not open in Adobe Acrobat. It opens, but the links aren't clickable. And so this way they have an alternate way of accessing the thing. So if we print out these documents and say hand them out to people at a retreat or something, then, well, printed links aren't clickable either. So this gives them away. You just take their little phone and scan it, and then they can read your blog post, which also has the UTM tracking code in it. And this way, again, you're tracking all traffic that comes from this particular free product to your website. And then I will just download this. I'm going to download, and I'm going to do this one, and I'm going to take off those questions, and boom. And then when I come over here, so I'm actually switching all of these out right now. I had done them for a few just to test it out. So now I'm going to go and do it for all of them. So let's see, let's find Ruth here. So I'm going to go over here to my Ruth folder. There you are. And I am going to upload. I'm going to rename this free Ruth upload. And I am going to delete this one. This is the old one. And I'm going to grab the link for this. Oops. Share. Copy. Content. So this is inside my Gumroad listing. This is where they download it. And I'm going to put that new URL right here. So now anyone who from today forward downloads this free Ruth Bible study, which by the way, y'all, every morning I wake up and I've had at least 100 or more downloads of my free studies. You know, I have them for some of the women, I have them for some of the parables. So I'm creating a lot of these. So this is a really great way to not only generate some income, because all of these free ones have an upsell, which is a fuller version, but now they all have trackable links. So I can see exactly how much traffic, like, are people actually clicking the links to read the blog post? Well, I know they are because I was tracking the first couple of them. So again, this is a super easy way to do that. I'm going to include the link to the UTM builder. And of course, if you're in Canva, you just go into the apps section and type in QR code and pretty much use any of them. You can use these QR codes for all kinds of other things too. I'll do some other videos with some creative ways to use the QR codes to possibly get more traffic and have other things that you can promote and so forth. But this has proved really fruitful for me. And now I will be able to track how much traffic, like I said, when you go into Google Analytics 4, it's really hard to, like, in the old one, you could just go to, you know, the traffic and click on the landing page and see how much traffic actually went to that one blog post. And then you could track it even further, clicking another thing and say, this came from Google, this came from Pinterest or whatever. Kind of hard to do that in 4. And so having custom UTM tracking codes is a super, super easy way. Now you can use these custom tracking codes for everything. I would say kind of be mindful, because otherwise you're going to spend all day creating these codes. And if you have them in different places, you want to track how much came from this, this, and this, then you got to create like 5 codes for each URL. I'm not going that crazy, but I do want to track my Gumroad traffic because that's where I'm putting a lot of the effort right now. So anyway, if you have any questions, drop your comments below or hop over to my Facebook group, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.